Hi, this is Thomas Wood with Microquant, and once again we're going to be taking a look at the Value Charts live trading room trades of the day for Tuesday, April 16th, 2013. Had another great trading day. Majority of the people in the trading room were profitable. We were up once again. A lot of the signals that we gave were extremely accurate, worked out exactly how we wanted them to. I'm going to talk about a couple different trades, but I'm only going to talk about the euro and gold again today because gold's once more moving all over the place. But we also had a lot of other very nice trades, including crude oil, soy, the indices, a few others as well. So the first one we'll talk about is the euro, and this is kind of a carryover from yesterday's trading room as well as from a signal feed alert that we sent out yesterday as well, talking about this daily trend line here coming across these highs and how the euro was right down on top of it. And we were saying watch for the euro to rally off of this trend line, and the reason we said that was because it had bounced off of that previously. Now you can see yesterday we did end up, or today we did end up rallying up quite a bit from the low of the day, which was all the way down around 1.33 roughly, all the way up to where we are right now, which is at 1.3192. So quite a bit higher than where we were, about 160 ticks. So very nice move there. And that was, again, we talked about it on signal feed. We also talked about it yesterday in the live trading room. The next market that we're going to look at is actually gold. We had, once again, a great trading day in gold. We actually went short gold again, even though the trend was up. And the reason we went short gold, we identified this trend line here coming up across all these lows previously, and we said, okay, there's a trend line there. Gold notorious for breaking trend lines and running. So we said, all right, we're going to watch for the trend line break. And you see, as soon as it broke that trend line at about 1387, you would have been short. It went all the way down to a low of 1372. So very nice move, about $15 an ounce, which is about $1,500 a contract, depending on where your fills were. So a great trade there. We also talked about shorting it again up here. We were watching for a retest of this trend line. So once it was broken, it then became resistance. We were looking for the retest and then for that market to continue to sell off again. And I know a few people are still short right now. That's all we have for today. I hope you enjoyed it. We have the free webinar tonight talking about catching the wave in soy, and that's going to be a lot of fun. Mark Helwig's the one that's going to be talking about that. He's a great soybeans trader. And that's at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I look forward to seeing everybody there tonight. Again, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can sign up for that webinar at valuecharts.com, and it's free. So see you then. Look forward to seeing everybody bright and early tomorrow for the continuation of the trading room. And until next time, happy trading.